How to fix PlayStation controller not connecting. Firstly, turn off and unplug your PlayStation console. Don't just put it in rest mode, but fully power it down. Once it's off, pull the power cord out of the wall for a moment. This makes sure that the system is completely reset. If your controller is already plugged into the PS4 with a USB cable, unplug it. You want the controller to be fully disconnected before resetting. Flip the controller over and near the L2 button, left trigger, you will see a very small hole. Inside the hole is the rest button. Now in number 4, press and hold the reset button. Plug one end of the USB cable into the PS4 and plug the other end to your controller. Now press the PS button, the round button in the center with the PlayStation logo. Now you will see a flashing light bar. If the light bar flash and then stay on, that means that it has been paired successfully with the PS4. After this, your controller should be working again. If it still doesn't connect, the issue might be with a faulty USB cable, a drained battery inside the controller, or the PS4 system software needing an update. That's all for today. Thank you.